Welcome to Atlanta Technical College. We are excited about your interest in joining the ATC family and look forward to helping you complete the application process. Thank you for joining us for our virtual open house and free application week. Please follow us on social media and stay connected to all of the new and exciting things that are happening at ATC. You can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Atlanta Technical College is a unit of the Technical College System of Georgia. Our president is Dr. Victoria Seals. We have two locations, ATC Main Campus, located in the heart of Atlanta, and ATC South, which is located just a few miles south in Clayton County. Our tuition is very affordable at $100 per credit hour, and there are no additional fees for online learning. Students also have access to our team of advisors in the Student Success Center. This team of individuals are dedicated to helping students start strong, stay strong, and finish strong. Also, any student enrolled in one of our qualified Center for Workforce Innovation programs have access to our achievement facilitators, who are dedicated to serving the needs of the whole student, from enrollment to graduation. Students also have access to free tutoring and study guides through the Academic Success Center and our virtual tutoring service, Upswing. Atlanta Technical College offers over 180 programs of study on 3 different levels of credentialing: associate degrees, diplomas, and technical certificates of credit. The college's programs are divided into 4 divisions: business and public service technologies, health and public safety technologies, industrial and transportation technologies, and arts and sciences. In response to a growing demand for business professionals, Atlanta Technical College's Division of Business and Public Service Technologies prepares students for rewarding positions in business, industry, and government. The Business Technologies programs prepare students for careers in business-related fields, including accounting, computer information systems, marketing management, paralegal studies, barbering, culinary arts, early childhood care and education, and many more. Rapid advancements in the industrial and transportation technologies area makes the need for current education and training essential. To meet the ever-increasing demand for qualified technicians, the Division of Industrial and Transportation Technologies offers associate degree programs, diploma programs, and technical certificates of credit in a variety of in-demand fields, such as air conditioning technology, auto collision repair and automotive technology, avionics maintenance, carpentry, commercial truck driving, diesel equipment technology, drafting, electrical construction and maintenance, plumbing, welding and joining technology, supply chain management, and procurement. Atlanta Technical College is committed to meeting the needs for well-trained healthcare professionals by creating opportunities through technical education. We offer degree, diploma, and technical certificate of credit programs and training opportunities for individuals desiring to enter a career in the health industry. The Health and Technologies programs prepare students in health-related fields, including dental assisting, dental hygiene, physical therapist assistant, radiologic technology, health information management, medical assisting, nursing, and pharmacy technology. In addition, Atlanta Technical College's public safety technology programs prepare students for the exciting, demanding, and rewarding life of a first responder. If you're ready to rise to the challenge, you'll need the best education and training available. In an emergency, the quality of someone's life can change in an instant. Become a lifesaver yourself by enrolling in programs such as emergency medical technician, paramedicine, and fire science. The Division of Arts and Sciences provides quality instruction to facilitate student success. The department develops core academic and professional skills through general education subjects and the Interdisciplinary Studies Associate Degree Program and the Early College Essentials Technical Certificate of Credit Program. When students graduate from a certificate, diploma, or associate degree program, they will demonstrate competencies in the following areas: research, writing, reading, oral communications, mathematics, and social behavioral science. Atlanta Technical College offers a number of student support services. Here at ATC, we are not just interested in your academic success. We want you to live a successful life and have provided several wraparound services that are dedicated to doing just that. The Student Success Academic Advising Team helps prepare students for success in academic, personal, and professional settings. They are dedicated to helping students succeed inside and outside of the classroom. Our Career Services Department assists students with career coaching and advisement, resume development and review, and interview and soft skills workshops. The dedicated Center for Workforce Innovation team is here to provide career and life coaching for students enrolled in eligible programs. Disability services are available to help students with disabilities reach their academic and career goals. We also have a dedicated Veterans Affairs office at the college. This office assists our veterans through the enrollment, registration, financial aid, and graduation process. Atlanta Technical College has also acquired Aspire Counseling Services to assist our students who may be facing challenging family, school, work, or life situations. Come and experience student life at Atlanta Technical College. Our dedicated staff are always hard at work, ensuring that our students have several activities that they can participate in and a number of clubs and organizations they can join. Our annual Fall Convocation, International Day, and Spring Fling are always a hit. There are also several clubs and organizations that students can join, such as Collegiate Leadership Academy, the National Technical Honor Society, and our Student Government Association. Atlanta Technical College participates in several federal and state aid programs that are here to help you fund your education. The federal aid programs are Pell Grant, Supplemental Educational Opportunity Grant, Subsidized and Unsubsidized Stafford Loans, and the Federal Work Study Program. State aid programs include Hope Grant and Hope Scholarship, Zell Miller Grant and Zell Miller Scholarship, Hope GED, Hope Career Grant, and the Student Access Loan. Now that you know a little about all of the financial aid we offer here at ATC, it's time to find out how to apply. The free application for Federal Student Aid, or FAFSA, can be found at studentaid.gov. You will need our school code to complete this application. Atlanta Technical College's federal school code is 008543. Every fall semester is the beginning of a new FAFSA year, so be sure that you always have an updated FAFSA application on file while you are in school. The application to determine state aid eligibility is optional, as most of the data used to determine eligibility has already been collected on the FAFSA. The basic eligibility criteria is that you are a U.S. citizen and Georgia resident, that you graduated from a HOPE-eligible high school or home study program, that you are attending an eligible post-secondary institution, and that you have not earned a bachelor's degree or higher. To learn more about financial aid, please visit us online at www.atlantatech.edu/apply-now/financial-aid. Atlanta Technical College offers a variety of other grants and scholarships. ATC participates in Veterans Educational Benefit programs such as Chapter 33 Post 9/11 GI Bill, Chapter 1606 Montgomery GI Bill, Selected Reserve, and more. The Workforce Innovation and Opportunity Act, or WIOA, is available for students seeking occupational skills to advance their employment. WIOA provides additional funding to economically disadvantaged adults, at-risk youth, and dislocated workers. These funds can be used for books, tools, uniforms, childcare, and transportation. ATC also offers a number of scholarships through the Atlanta Technical College Foundation, such as the Arlene O. Robinson Scholarship, the Brenda Watts Jones Memorial Foundation Scholarship, the Coca-Cola First Generation Scholarship, just to name a few. To learn more about all of the scholarships that are offered at the college, you can go to www.atlantatech.edu apply/now/financial-aid/scholarships. Here at Atlanta Technical College, we like to say that applying to ATC is as easy as ATC. All we need is your application, assessment scores, transcripts, and your commitment. Now for those applying for summer 2020, we have some exciting news. The application fee and assessment placement test requirement have been waived. If you have not and cannot take the assessment placement test, don't worry, we will work with you. Although those items have been waived, we are still going to share the basic admissions requirements. First, you must complete an application for admissions and pay the one-time $25 application fee, if applicable. Next, submit assessment scores or schedule a placement exam. If you already have tested and can provide us with a copy of these scores, please do so. We accept SAT, ACT, AccuPlacer, ASSET, and Compass scores. If you already have college-level English and math, this requirement may be waived. Which takes us to the next item, which is your transcripts. We will need an official copy of all previously attended college transcripts and an official copy of your high school transcript. If you are unable to attain an official copy, please contact the enrollment office at admissions@atlantatech.edu. The last document we will collect will be your proof of citizenship, which can be a photocopy of your state-issued ID or passport. Thank you for viewing this presentation. We hope that it was informational and that you will soon become a member of the ATC family. If you have additional questions about admissions, you can email us at admissions@atlantatech.edu. If you have additional questions about financial aid, you can email us at financialaid@atlantatech.edu. If you want to learn more about student success academic advising, you can email us at successcenter@atlantatech.edu. If you have general questions about the college application process and FAFSA assistance, you can email us at onboarding@atlantatech.edu. We have also provided the link to find out more about the Atlanta Technical College Foundation Scholarships. www.atlantatech.edu/apply now/financial-aid/scholarships.